Have you ever pondered why zero, the foundation of our numeric system, cannot be represented in Roman numerals? Quite the conundrum, isn't it? Our first fact dives into this very question. The concept of zero, a number that signifies nothing, is a relatively recent addition to the mathematical world. In the ancient Roman numeral system, there was no representation for zero, as the concept of nothing as a number was not acknowledged. This is why when you look at Roman numerals, you'll never see a zero. A fascinating glimpse into how our understanding of numbers has evolved over time, isn't it? To summarize, the Roman numeral system lacks a symbol for zero, reflecting a time when the concept of nothing as a number was not yet recognized. Moving on to our next fact, imagine a book so heavy that it outweighs the entire Earth. This isn't a fantasy novel plot, but a real mathematical concept. A googolplex is an extremely large number, one followed by a googol of zeros. A googol, by the way, is a one followed by 100 zeros. If you were to attempt to write out a googolplex in a book, the sheer weight of the ink and paper would exceed that of the Earth. Quite a weighty concept, right? So, a googolplex is so large that a book containing it would weigh more than the Earth. Next, let's delve into the ancient Norse language. The term hundred comes from the Old Norse word hundrath, which actually represented the quantity 120. This linguistic journey shows us how language and numbers can evolve over time, changing our perception of what numbers mean. In essence, the term hundred originally referred to 120, not 100 as it does today. Imagine shuffling a deck of cards and creating a sequence that has never existed before in the history of the universe. Seems impossible, right? But in reality, the total number of possible arrangements in a deck of cards is so vast that every time you shuffle a deck properly, you're likely creating an order of cards that has never been seen before. It's a mind-boggling testament to the power of permutation and combination. To reiterate, a properly shuffled deck of cards likely results in an arrangement never before seen in the universe's history. Lastly, did you know that there is a specific name for 35th anniversaries? It's called a choral anniversary. This shows how numbers and milestones intertwine in our culture, giving special significance to certain numerical values. So the term choral anniversary is used to commemorate the 35th year of a milestone. Thank you for joining us on this numerical journey. Numbers, as we've seen, are more than mere digits. They play a vital role in our history, our language, our universe, and even our anniversaries. Until next time, keep counting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep learning.